All right, now we have question G, cosine of 44 degrees. Okay, so we're in acute angle, which means we're not doing our reduction. Reduction is 183.60. We could be doing a cofunction. So let's have a look. Cofunction is 90, right? So cos of 44, 90 minus 44, nope, 90 minus 44 gives us 46. Can I do anything with 14 and 46? Okay, 44 divided by 14 is a fraction. 46 divided by 14 is a fraction. So it's not those. Cofunctions are not working for me. Okay, next option. Did you check special angles? Can you split this into a special angle? So our special angles, I hope you remember, our special angles are going to be 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. So let's start with 30. 44 minus 30. Beautiful. 30, 14, 44. Let's go with special angles. So we're going to say this is actually equal to 30 degrees, which is my special angle, plus 14 degrees, which is what I want when it comes to this question. Sine of 14 degrees, right? 14 is the golden child. Okay, so now I have this. What do we call it if you have an addition in a fraction? So now we're going back and we're saying, oh, wait, this is a compound angle. Cos A plus B is a compound angle. And we literally have cos A plus B. If that one's A, oopsie, if that one's A and that one's B. Okay, so what happens if you have cos A plus B? You can refer to your list, but cos A plus B is going to give you cos. Because it's plus, it becomes minus, sine. And you can fill in your angles, 30, 14, 30, 14. Beautiful. Okay, so if cos, sine, addition becomes subtraction. Okay, now we can convert. What are we converting? Special angles, you're going to convert to your fractions. And again, if you don't know them off by heart, use your calculator. Cos of 30 gives you square root 3 over 3. So here we have square root 3 over 2. And sine of 30 gives us a half. Beautiful. That is multiplied by cosine of 14. I'm going to skip that for now. Minus sine of 14. That's my golden child. Okay, so my golden child becomes k. I'm already almost there. The only thing that I haven't touched is my cosine of 14. Now, what do I do with cosine of 14? Let's go check back and say, okay, what is cos of 14? Oh, look here. Cos of 14 is the square root of 1 squared minus k squared. And I'm replacing it with that. 1 squared minus k squared, square root everything. Beautiful. Okay, am I done? Well, not really, because this is a subtraction. So what you want to do is put everything under the same base. How many terms do you have? You have 2 terms. That's your 1 term. And this is your 2nd term. Okay, so let's put everything over 2, because I've got a denominator of 2 there and a denominator of 2. This one is actually over 1. And this one is also over 1. So this is pretty easy. This becomes square root 3 times square root 1 squared minus k squared, everything under the roof, over 2, minus 1k over 2. Beautiful. Now we can simplify. What's happening over here? Just clarify. This is not 12. This is 1 to the power of 2. What happens on our first term? Now, first term, because it's square root, everything goes under the same root. So what happens is you have square root 3 times 1 squared minus k squared. That's what actually happens. Over 2 minus k over 2. So in this, I'm just dealing with this portion here for the time being. what happens there is we distribute, and you have 3 minus 3k squared divided, or square root all of that, divided by 2 minus k over 2. Beautiful. The first one is sorted out. Now let's deal with this portion here. Because it's the same denominator, I can put it under this everything over 2. So I have 3 minus 3k squared, square rooted, minus k. That is your final answer. Okay.